Why Lord Vishnu came to Tirumal. Have you ever gone to Tirumal with your parents? Have you seen the long lines of people waiting to see Lord Balaji? Today, I will tell you a beautiful story about why Lord Vishnu came to Tirumal and why this temple is so special. Long, long ago, far above the clouds, there was a beautiful place called Vaikuntha. Vaikuntha was the home of Lord Vishnu and goddess Lakshmi. It was a happy place. There was no sadness, no worry, and no time. Lord Vishnu rested peacefully, and goddess Lakshmi always stayed by his side. One day, a wise sage named Bhrigu was given a task. He had to find out who was the greatest god among Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. First, he went to Lord Brahma. But Brahma was very busy creating the world and did not notice the sage. Bhrigu felt hurt and left. Then he went to Lord Shiva. Shiva was deep in meditation and did not respond. Bhrigu became angry and left again. Finally, Bhrigu reached Vaikuntha. There, he saw Lord Vishnu resting calmly, while goddess Lakshmi gently pressed his feet. Suddenly, the sage did something very wrong. He kicked Lord Vishnu on the chest. But Lord Vishnu did not get angry at all. Instead, he stood up and said kindly, "Oh sage, did you hurt your foot? Please let me help you." He gently touched the sage's foot. And the sage immediately felt ashamed. Bhrigu understood that Lord Vishnu was the kindest and greatest of all. But goddess Lakshmi was very sad. She felt that Lord Vishnu allowed someone to hurt the place where she lived. Feeling hurt, Lakshmi quietly left Vaikuntha and came down to earth. Lord Vishnu missed Lakshmi very much. He felt lonely for the first time. So he also came to earth to look for her. He came to the Tirumal hills and lived there as a simple man named Srinivasa. Even today, in the Tirumal temple, Lord Balaji stands quietly, waiting. Srinivasa sat under an ant hill and prayed for a very long time. He did not eat. He did not move. He only prayed for Lakshmi to forgive him. Seeing this, Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva felt worried. So they decided to help. Brahma became a cow. Shiva became a little calf. They came to earth to help Srinivasa. Every day, the cow gave her milk to the anthill where Srinivasa was praying. One day, a cowherd saw this and became angry. He hit the anthill with an axe. Suddenly, Srinivasa appeared, hurt on his forehead. The cowherd was scared and fainted. But Lord Vishnu was kind again and saved him. The mark on Vishnu's forehead is the tilak we see even today. Some time later, a king named Akash Raja found a golden flower in his field. Inside it was a baby girl. He named her Padmavati. Padmavati was actually goddess Lakshmi, born on earth. As Padmavati grew up, one day a wild elephant ran toward her. Srinivasa came and saved her. They looked at each other and felt a special connection. Srinivasa wanted to marry Padmavati. But for that, he needed money. So he asked Kuber, the god of wealth, for a loan. Kuber agreed and gave him gold. Their wedding was grand and beautiful. All the gods came to bless them. After the wedding, Lord Vishnu and goddess Lakshmi decided to stay on earth. They stayed on the 7 hills of Tirumal to help and protect their devotees. Lord Vishnu made a promise. "I will stay here until the end of Kali Yuga. Anyone who comes to me with love and faith, I will help them." That is why people offer money here and prayers at Tirumal. It is not just a temple. It is a place where God stays close to people. So when you go to Tirumal next time, remember, Lord Balaji came to earth because he loves his devotees.